Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy and today I'm gonna show you how to do a YouTube intro for your channel using Final Cut Pro. Let's do it. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and leave a like. And if you have any questions, I would love to know what do you need, because I'm here to help you. So leave your comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you, okay? First thing first, people get very confused about videos and fonts and stuff, all of that thing. For me, one of the most important thing is the music. And I like to keep everything short and sweet, as you probably know by now. From 5 to 8 seconds, or max 10 seconds for your intro. So we're gonna go on Epidemic Sound, which is the platform that I use. If you want a 1 month free, link's gonna be in the description down below. I've been using this since I started my YouTube channel. For your YouTube channel, let's see what they have for me. I like this intro, so that's a plus. I already know that I'm gonna use that. And one tip for you is try to get the end, because sometimes you don't need to edit, you don't need to do anything, you just cut the intro that you like and the outro with a fade. Okay, let's see if we got lucky for this one. Okay, the music's here, we're gonna cut. And over here, I'm gonna get the second part because there's a little fade here, so screw that. That's cool, that's good. There's a little fade over there, and to the end, let's see. Okay. Yeah, didn't work as I expected. Different musics we can do that, but for this one, I'm just gonna do a little fade, and everything is gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna go to text, and we're gonna go to generators, and we're gonna go solid. I'm gonna go for solid, text, basic title, and then here I'm gonna do one big tip for you as well is people try to focus a lot on their logos and stuff, but I would suggest go for your name. Little Boy. Another thing, use the beats. Okay, instead of just make visual, we're gonna make visual on the beat, so it's easier for people to see and feel it, and everything's gonna come together. Trust me. You're just gonna press M. And here, no, it's the last one. Boom. So it's gonna be the fade. Cool. I play a lot with the text. I add a lot of random things just using the beat. You can do that for you as well. Be creative, use the font that you want. And after I have the bass, I'm gonna put all the things together. So this is 001. Now the boy, option G, 002. So the boy, I'm gonna do a little craziness as well. Green. Add here too. Filmic stuff, option G, 003. Filmic stuff, I already had that vision. And here on the B, I want them to be filmmaking stuff. Every week. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Cut. Make the font smaller. It's a little bit faster, but I like that because at the end everything's gonna come together. Little boy, filmmaking stuff every week. So it's a bunch of cuts and ins and outs, and I know that we're gonna be able to do that as well. Boom. Let's see. Not bad. Now I have here from Tropic Color. If you want to have the same grain that I use in textures and stuff, link's gonna be down below. Little Boy 10 and save 10% off. Okay, we're gonna add this on the back, and look at that. I already give like, ooh. So much better. I'm gonna add a little film burn, same thing. I'm gonna go to add, and then I'm gonna hold this, and that's it. Let's see. If you want to spice it up things even more, add some takes that you have, some B-rolls, some stuff. Don't be afraid to add a bunch of stuff. Watch, take a little pause, grab a water, come back, watch it again, see if it's too much, see if it's too fast, bring it down a little bit. I'm sure that you're gonna find what you want. I delete some stuff here. I just let one filmmaking stuff just to give a little suspense, and then I stretch my little boy to make sure that people see what it's about. Easy, simple. Now you have a little bit of model from my project. I hope that you can apply to yours as well. And feel free, be creative. Let me know if this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.